Nandito ka na naman and pumunta kami ng Thailand Global Convention and nakikita nyo naman iba't iba yung mga nationality na nandito and nandito kami para i-10 times yung income skills na meron kami. Nagkaroon kami ng free training kung paano gagawin from $100 to $500 every single week yung kikitain namin. Pwede kami kumita between $5,000 to $20,000 every single week yung kikitain namin. And sobrang crazy nitong training event na to. Libre lang tong training event na to. Ginawa nila to para sa amin, para matuto kami kung paano namin magagawa yung 10 times yung income skills namin. Ngayon, naghahanap ako ng 5 to 10 serious people na gusto kumita ng 5,000 pesos to 12,000 pesos in a week doing this part-time, and pwede mo rin naman tong gawin full-time and pwede kang kumita ng mas malaki. If 18 years old ka, from Metro Manila, serious, hardworking, committed, gustong i-utilize yung social media tools and gustong i-utilize yung social media para kumita ng maraming pera, gustong mag-build ng relationship with and connection with different nationalities all around the world and magkaroon din ng team all around the world, click mo lang yung message button, click mo lang yung DM, click mo lang yung sign up, and then tatawagan kita after nito. Balikan na naman dito, so click mo na rin yung follow and subscribe.